Today, I'll show you how to add a multicolor music video effect using the color shift effect. This is a great way to give your footage that bold, dynamic look often seen in modern music edits. First, make sure your video is on the timeline and selected. Then, head over to the right side panel and click on the Effects tab. Here, scroll through or search for color shift. Once you find it, just click on it. No dragging needed. As soon as it's applied, you'll notice your video shifting through multiple hues, giving it a vivid and energetic feel. It's perfect for fast-paced edits, dance videos, or anything that needs a colorful punch. Just preview the video and see how the colors flow. It's automatic, so no need to tweak any sliders, and that's all there is to it. You've just added a powerful, eye-catching effect with a single click. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tricks in Clipchamp.